guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here and you're finding me because of this video, then welcome to my channel. This is a channel of trials and everything like that you should not do at home, basically. Made a video I think 2 years ago of me dyeing my roots darker, and it's a video that actually got a lot of views. Like, it's a very popular video of mine on this channel. And I'm a person who generally don't trust hairdressers, and I'm talking while I'm brushing my hair because I just saw how my hair looks and I need to brush it out. So this is real time. Basically, I have a video on my channel of me dyeing my roots. Maybe some of you guys have already found me through that video, and so I'm gonna do my hair again, not because of that video, but because of the fact that I have a general distrust in hairdressers. I'm not generalizing, but I've had bad experiences here in Holland to find hairdressers that know what to do with my hair or ever does what I ask them to. Again, no hate towards hairdressers, because I love going to the salon and I love paying a lot of money to get my hair done, and trust me, I put out a lot of money on my hair on hairdressers, but I always leave the salon feeling kind of disencouraged, kind of like this is not what I wanted. So I kind of just want to stop wasting my money and start trying to learn how to do things myself. So that's what we're doing today. But my first thought, what I first wanted to do was actually dye my entire head a darker blonde, because I'm kind of I love my super blonde hair. The problem is that I can see that my hair is damaged, and also it's just not growing, and I need to lay off the bleach for a while. But I'm kind of over this roots. This is my own color. It's not super dark, it's like a middle blonde, and I'm just tired of how my hair is looking after not doing anything with it for a while. Like, it just looks boring. So I decided I'm gonna dye my roots and maybe a little bit further down with a nice middle blonde, just to get this awkward stage away, because I just have this awkward root here and I just want to bring it down a little bit, give my hair a little bit more depth. So the color I picked up for my roots and the rest of my hair is this color here. It's from Schwarzkopf, and it's in the color 36 Middle Ash Blonde, whatever that means. But it's this really nice lighter ashy blonde. I'm aware that I'm using a box dye, and trust me, I know I'm not supposed to be using box dye. I'm just using box dye because I'm tired of ordering. I just wanted to get it over with, and this is what I can get in my store. So it's just like the worst type of hair dye, to be honest, but I'm hoping it turns out well. I also bought a brush, and I have a little thing for my hair dye, so I don't have to apply it like with this nozzle. So let's just get right into it. Let's get this hair. I'm not sure. I also bought a scissor for my hair because I'm gonna cut my hair afterwards, but that's very close. I'm sitting in front of my window because, again, I don't have a nice setup, but I'm just gonna do it like this because why the heck not? It's real life. Like, I'm not gonna fuck around, okay? I just need to learn how to calm down, because when I do these things, I usually get too excited and then I'm like all over the place, and then it just ruins everything. I don't even know what I'm trying to achieve, because I don't necessarily want a dark root, because I had that last year, or I've had that every winter, and I kind of just get bored of it. I just kind of want to get my color, bring it down a little bit, and then, yeah, just become more natural, I guess. So let's read instructions. Shake, put it in there. Add. Okay, I'm gonna put everything in my bowl, and I only got one container because obviously we're only doing my roots, so I didn't have to get more than one. But if you are doing your full hair, please understand that most likely you will need more than one box in here. That's better. It's a little darker, but it's better. I also have gloves, which is something that I usually don't use, but I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna check how long I'm gonna have to leave it on. Okay, I don't need it. So I put the two colors in here, and I'm just gonna order the developer and the color. Oh my god, I was like, I'm not gonna put anything on my pants because I'm not gonna spill, and I've literally just spilled everywhere. And we're gonna mix this thoroughly. Make sure that we're not having any clumps or something. I've done my roots before, but I will try to walk you guys through it a little bit. I'm gonna just start by going in here on my rootage, and I just do the middle parting first and bringing it down a little bit. Of course, this is supposed to be very close to my own color, so it's probably not going to do much to my roots because it's not a bleach, so it won't bleach it, and my roots are not super blonde, so probably not going to change a lot, but I'm hoping it's going to match my roots at least. That's the least we can hope. So I just do the first part is the middle part. I'm using the same technique I used in my darker rootage thing. So I just do the middle part first, and then I'm going in on the side part here, just going around the rootage like so. I love my own color, but I feel like I will never have patience to wait for it to fully grow out, so I just prefer to just do something with it now. I'm gonna take the other side and I'm just gonna do a vertical kind of section here. And I'm following my own roots because that's my natural roots. And you're just gonna do it like this. In a kind of angular position. We're gonna do another triangular section here. I don't know if you guys can see anything. Okay, but I already done. We're gonna do another triangular section here. We're just gonna go in. We're kind of smudging the root a little bit. Like so. And then what I'm gonna do is just kind of lightly bring it down, because I do want it to be kind of lower down than I'm used to. I see that I have some areas here that are kind of orange, so I'm actually gonna bring it down on those areas so I can get rid of that orange and just have it be just a darker color. And then we're gonna lift up here again, apply some color, and I'm working super fast, as you guys can see, because I do want everything to develop in the same kind of time. But I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit further here as well, because I can tell that it needs to be brought down a little further. And I do want significant change. I don't want just a root. I want like significant kind of color here change. Now we're gonna lift up here, and you can see I have a lot of roots here that we're also gonna do. I almost like always forget these areas. I don't know why. Like that. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look here. So you can see I've done the root here. And I'm gonna make sure that the root is really saturated. And I like to, because you can't really see what's happening, I like to bring everything forward and just paint forward. And that's gonna be the safest way for you to get like color distributed evenly. Same thing on this side. You see I'm just taking my hand and I'm bringing everything forward. And we're just gonna apply it here. Bring everything forward, apply it. Again, we're bringing, oh my god, I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. We're bringing it inwards. We're gonna feel here. I'm just gonna touch, 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 touch. Okay, I for sure haven't done everything, but I'm just gonna feel around. Okay, we're bringing it lower. I'm almost tempted to do my entire hair, to be honest, but I'm not going to, because I know for a fact that I don't want it to be super dark. And again, I'm not doing the ends because I do want a little bit of that like fun blonde, but I do kind of want to make sure that I get in here. And you see I'm leaving a little bit of the ends of this here. Oh my god, I don't even know, I can't talk and do things at the same time, so I'm sorry if this sounds like incredibly stupid. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I think that's how we're gonna leave this mess. I'm gonna stop now. I'm stopping it. Just gonna make sure okay, I'm stopping. Okay, so I have applied the color. I'm gonna just go and look in another mirror to see what it looks like. Oh my god! Okay, so it's definitely darker. I'm just checking that it's even. I think it should be fine. Okay, so I've applied the color. I'm gonna leave this on for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. I think I'm just gonna do 30, just go all out. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what this turns out as. I hope it turns nice and like ashy, but I'm not sure. I'll be back in 20 minutes when I'm washing out. Bye bye! So guys, I actually filmed a update on the hair, like how it ended up completely, but it actually was deleted, so I had to film another one right now, and I wanted to just give you guys the final thoughts and the look of my hair. This is how my hair is looking right now. So it's definitely still blonde, and you can see here on my roots that my roots are much more blended and they have a much nicer color. Do you see that depth there? Basically what I ended up doing was I used, as I showed you guys, I used the box dye to kind of give my hair a little bit of a darker depth tone. What it ended up doing is actually toning the blonde part of my hair much nicer and ashier. But I did ended up actually getting this color right here. This is a Revlon Nutri color in the color A12 Pearly Beige. Now what this is a color mask, so it has a tint of color in it, but it also nourishes your hair and gives it a little bit of a refreshed look, which is something that I noticed that after the box dye, and I had this gorgeous, I have a clip, I will probably put it here. So after the box dye I had this gorgeous color right here, but I felt like it was looking a little bit dull and just a little bit to the greenish tint, which I didn't want. I wanted it to be really nice darker asher blonde. So I got this color and I put this through damp hair, and it smells divine. And I actually run this through my hair and just made sure that it was completely saturated, left it in for 20 minutes, which is the recommended for full-on color, and it ended up with this gorgeous color. I've now washed it twice since I did everything, and you can use this maybe once a month and it will kind of refresh your color. So this is after like 3 washes, I think, so the color is still super gorgeous. I'm really happy with it, but I'm so happy with this color and it's exactly how I wanted. I did expect to go a little bit darker than this, but I think for now this is great, and I might use the color one more time to see if I can make it a little bit darker. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding my kind of process, let me know below. Follow me on all social media to see what I'm up to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!